Hey YouTube, this is Otto, a bipedal robot powered by an Arduino Nano. I launched the project on Kickstarter a couple of years ago, and ever since then, it's taken a life of its own. In this video, I'll go over the fun process of assembling the robot and programming the software so that it can move around, play songs, and do all sorts of cool things. Alright, let's do this. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. They're currently offering a wide variety of deals for the holiday season and the Spring Festival. Make sure to check out their coupons so that you can save while placing your PCB manufacturing and assembly orders with PCBWay. They were kind enough to send me a care package for the holiday season. As always, I was impressed with the high quality of their boards. One thing that sets PCBWay apart is that they're not a broker. Rather, they're a PCB manufacturing and assembly house. With friendly staff and great facilities, I highly recommend PCBWay for your PCB manufacturing and assembly needs. If you like my videos, I invite you to my Patreon page where you can chip in $1 or $2. That really helps me put in more time into the videos and release them quicker. But whatever you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave me a comment. You can also interact with me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and you can even use the community tab of the channel. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you next time.